Yeah, so this is Apollo Lunar, Apollo G++ Lunar version. This version can help you to pass your prop farms, trade your traditional accounts. Why? This version is able to do account calculation, account analysis, and place dynamic, what do you call it? Dynamic stop loss, dynamic take profit, dynamic break even. Everything moves, everything changes. Nothing is static here. So that is what make Apollo Lunar version the version you've always needed. You can see it placed that trade and it's pretty much still insisting on dropping low. You can see Apollo G++ Lunar. Yeah, to get this bot, you can DM me. The link is on my bio. Get this bot. Right now, we have a beautiful button over here that tells you your daily profit. So today, before the launch of this bot, which we've been working on for quite some time, we had Apollo G++ beta version. It had already made $80. There are a couple trades running, I think, in the other account. Yeah, so right now we have upgraded to Apollo G++ Lunar version. It tells you the current profit running on your account up there, the spread. You can break even, you can collect your profit by just a click of the button and you're out of that trade. Yeah, so the link to get this board is on my bio. Yeah, just click the video description and you'll get the link to communicate with me on Telegram and rent this boat.